what we're doing.
Oh. Yes.
Will it
Oh. Oh
Let's
shit,
talk
which
to
one
them.
was my drink?
The one that's been drank out of?
Drink.
That one, I think?
I don't know.
I think it
Come
was
on,
this
go
one.
ahead. Guys, my tweet
the
is going
straw.
viral.
All around me are familiar faces.
Goes into like our intro theme, like that you make, whatever you make. Yeah. Live, feed. Live, feed.
Shani!
Sorry, I just made your face. So we're doing a mukbang, 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 bong.
Aussie style.
I'm just a dead man walking sinner, but you need it, yeah you need it all of this time, yeah.
Huh?
Can I please have my drink?
We got some sauce. A beef carrot. I made chicken. Oh my god, we actually got everything.
They didn't stuff it up?
I'm shook.
Oh.
I'm shook. Shook it. We got nuggets.
Lettuce. Oh my god.
We got
Did
another.
they
They
give us
actually
sweet
gave
and
us
sour
sauce.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Ready? There's two of them.
Oh. I'm so ready for this.
Hang on, you gotta get the ones at the bottom.
I got it.
There's lettuce in there. You could have ruined my carpet.
It's still in there. I got a frozen Coke.
Frozen
Whilst
Coke.
we eat, we decided
Oh.
we would do the Who Knows Me Better challenge.
No, it's
Why?
That's my dad. He said he'd subscribe.
Shout out to you, Sarah.
Shout out to you, Dad.
Guys, it's a mukbang. You're actually meant to eat.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to find questions. We're really
Can you
parched.
please pass me my sundae?
So
This is-
so I got the phone up. I'll start.
This
Oh.
is the sundae, chocolate sundae with extra topping.
Extra
Yeah,
hot
same.
It's a little
fudge.
melted because it took us about 20 years to set up this
Yeah, the chip is
caramel.
cold.
I know. I don't think they were fresh chips in the beginning.
They don't look all that fresh.
Oh,
Is this not the best?
Yeah. So we're gonna do the get to know me better, like best friend versus best friend.
Don't clock me. I'm a
And-
bad memory person.
This is gonna prove how shit friends they are. Kidding.
Basically. Like,
So-
I'm sorry in advance.
Shani's gonna ask the questions first, and then we have to just answer it. Do we have to like buzz in or just like
Yeah, just say names, I reckon.
Can we replay that?
That's gonna be on replay. Alright, question number 1.
Wait.
Are you prepared?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's my middle name?
Fee. Shani, it's Shani May Eve.
I was going to say that, but I went to say that. I didn't.
Today, Junior?
Yeah, you went to say the
her
name without.
as-
Yeah.
instead of mine.
That's why I thought she was gonna
It took
think
me a
I
long
meant
time.
that your middle name is Fee.
Yeah, I think that as
I
well.
was like, no.
Alright, what do my parents do for a living?
Oh my god. Fee. I know your mum
Yeah.
works as a nurse, basically, like in a nursing home.
Close enough.
She's like
That's like what
a
your mum
carer, like
Yeah.
yeah.
We'll exclude my dad because you guys don't know my dad.
I met him once.
He works at like a car place.
Yeah.
He's a carpenter.
Oh my god, so good.
I'm
Have you
winning.
ever even met him? Is that? No, you probably met him like
I've
at my
seen him
birthdays
once,
or something,
yeah.
yeah. Do I have any nieces or nephews?
No,
And if I do,
Fee.
how many?
Oh,
Oh,
you
fuck.
don't
So first.
Yes. You do.
And
How many
And
do I got?
4.
Yes, good job. Who's my celebrity crush? Like the main one?
Oh, Liv.
Mm-hmm.
McDreamy.
Mm-hmm.
You can't remember his
I would
real name.
say a different answer.
What would you
Or
answer
John
salad.
Salad.
there? Is
But
he
like
considered a celebrity?
Yes.
No,
Because he has a
like
status.
To
Only in
other
Australia,
people,
though.
yeah, like to other countries, no, but Australia.
If he were to be considered a celebrity, then yes.
yeah.
But
Mm.
if you're watching this, Joel, he's definitely not watching it. Have I ever been on a cruise?
Fee. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. Do I prefer my coffee hot or iced?
Fee.
Yeah.
Iced.
Yeah. At
I
the
keep-
moment, I change my mind
I
all the
keep
time.
going to say the answer without saying my name.
What's my favourite season?
Oh no.
Think about something that happens in this season that I like.
Oh,
Oh.
Feet.
Mm-hmm.
winter.
You why?
Because it's the footy season.
Yeah. Okay, I'll pass along the phone now.
Oh dear. Here we go.
Scroll right back up to the top so you can look from there. Do ASMR eating this.
Ew. Alright, I've got it.
Oh shit.
Are you ready?
Hold on, wait.
First question from me is, what is my favourite band?
Shani. I don't know. 5 Sauce?
Yes, it is. I thought you would get that straight away. I was
Well, I
like,
didn't know
come
if you were
on.
gonna say One Direction.
Well, they're not like a band, they're a boy
Yeah.
band.
That's why I said 5 Sauce. Because I was like, they're really like an actual band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
god, that's what-
that makes me so proud.
I was trying to make it like a trick question, so I was saying,
Tricked me.
if I could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Shani. LA.
Really? Live.
Like, I would want to go there, like, on a holiday, or, like, stay there for a while, but, like,
Just because you
never live
strike me
there.
as a basic LA bitch.
I'd say just here, like at home in Australia.
Yes,
Oh, good
it
job.
is!
That's
Yes.
totally good.
It is. I wouldn't want to leave here, ever.
Neither. I would
I
say
feel
that.
like we've had this conversation because
Yeah.
like everyone leaves Australia and goes to like
Exactly.
England or America.
And I'm just like, no, like, stick around.
Great here. Why would you want to leave?
Would I choose Facebook or Twitter?
Twitter. Oh, sorry, Shani.
Yes.
Twitter.
True.
I hate
I
Facebook.
would.
Twitter's so good.
Facebook's just so, like, not in anymore.
No.
This should be really easy, but I just actually want to test you.
shit! Oh
Should we-
god, no! Don't say that.
How many siblings do I have, and what are their names?
Shani. You have 3 siblings.
Correct.
Names are Adrian, Josh, and Rachel.
Yes! Good job.
I knew that. I was just eating.
Oh, sure. Sure.
But I did know that. Oh my god, my burger is falling apart.
my
And
God.
that is the age order.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, burger time. Woo!
I'm still on my Sunday. Alright, Liv's turn.
Just give me a second.
She's like,
I'm
got
in
in
a
her
bit of a
bed.
mess. I'm so hungry.
So I have sauce on my
Just a little. Just a lot of them, actually.
What's my biggest fear?
Oh, Buzz. Shani.
I forgot what my name was.
Yes.
Damn it. I know one.
Feet.
Yes. Okay.
I'm trying to think what the other 2 would be.
Super obvious. Oh.
I would say spiders, but you're not really that bad with spiders. Death. I know you're one of those
Yeah.
that don't like death.
Who?
Blood.
Sort of like needles.
Yeah.
Needles.
I should have known that.
Am I a dog person or a cat person?
Shani.
Yes.
Dog.
Yeah.
I just didn't get to answer that.
Oh, it's my turn. Brother's getting around. Always looking at me up and down, looking at.
As of this year, how long have I been playing netball for?
Shani.
Mhm.
Do you mean like including this entire year?
Yeah. So at the end of this year.
12 years. 11 years.
Yeah, 11.
Hey, I didn't even get to answer that. You can't
I
say
thought-
12 and then change to 11.
Yes, I can.
I've come to the conclusion,
I feel like that's enough questions because
That I know all of you the best.
no, that I know you the best, Shani. Then you know Liv the best. And
I know. No.
you know me the best.
So,
And Liv.
I'm either a really good friend or I'm a crazy stalker.
You know everything
I
about us.
think it's crazy stalker.
Okay. If you could live off one takeaway food for the rest of your
Macca's.
life, what would it be?
Subway.
Macca's
confirmed.
I love Subway.
I would say Macca's because they have a lot of options. So if you didn't want beef, you could have
Chicken. And they have salads.
and they have desserts.
What else can we play? What's another YouTube game?
Oh my god, I'm getting so full.
Week.
What about Kiss, Marry, Avoid? I know one.
Okay, you go.
Luke Hemmings, Callum Hood, and Michael Clifford.
Stop.
From 5 Sauce, if you didn't know.
Oh my god, stop it. No, I can't.
Yeah, you have to.
I cannot.
I
I'll just
know
avoid
mine.
them all to
I know
stop.
mine. If I had to choose, it would be marry Callum, kiss Luke,
I've got it.
and avoid Michael.
I've
Sorry,
got it.
Michael. Don't come for me.
I'd marry Luke, I'd kiss Callum, and I'd avoid Michael because he and Crystal, I love that. Even though, I mean, like, Luke has a girlfriend too, but like...
I'll answer still. I don't really like them that much. Like, I don't dislike them, but I don't like stand them or anything. Probably marry Callum.
Same.
Kiss Luke. And
Same as me.
avoid Michael. Yeah.
Wait, just let me think.
You too Egyptian.
Hold on, we're just having a little break. Dylan O'Brien. No, I take it back. Dylan O'Brien's not in the mixture now.
Oh, okay.
Ian, JC,
Oh, yeah.
and Corey.
Corey who?
Oh, I love Corey.
Corey,
Corey.
La Brea.
Avoid.
Oh, I love Corey.
Sorry. No
No.
shade.
no tea, no shade.
No.
No, I love Corey,
I
but
know
I'm
what I'm
sorry.
doing.
But
Avoid Corey.
what happened to his accent? He doesn't even have an
yeah.
Australian accent. I'm sorry.
Come back to Australia.
Come back, get your accent back, and then we'll think about it.
Avoid
If-
Corey. Marry JC. Kiss Ken.
I love them all.
Oh, go, you go. I want to know yours. No, I do know yours actually.
I'd marry Kian.
Oh, really? I thought you would have said JC. Marry JC.
No, I'd marry Kian. Kiss JC and avoid Corey. Until Corey comes back and gets his Australian accent back.
If Corey lived in Australia, I would marry Corey.
Yeah,
But no.
confirmed.
I will marry Kian.
I don't know if you know these people. I'm just going to list off some random YouTubers that I know. Alright. Bryce Hall.
Yep.
I don't know who that is.
Are you serious?
Taylor Holder.
Don't know who that is.
Stop. Jordan Bowe.
So
know who
fucking
that is.
married Jordan.
Love that kid.
Avoid Taylor. Kiss Bryce.
Really, I think I'd avoid Bryce only because he low-key kind of scares me. Like, I reckon he's a bit intimidating. I think he'd like...
He's very like strong. Like
He has a very strong personality, I reckon. Yeah, I don't know. I'd marry Jordan, kiss Taylor, and I'd avoid Bryce only because I don't have an
Can I
excuse.
say avoid Taylor?
Yeah.
Only because his eyes creep me out a little.
What?
His eyes are really like I don't know how to describe them. They're just strange. I'll show you photos of them if you want to see.
Oh my god, you will love
You
Jordan.
get Jordan up, yeah. You.
Oh my god, I love that kid.
I'm excited.
Even though
He's so hot.
So, Manny.
Maddie and Ray.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Joey Cruceppa.
Oh my god, I love Joey.
Or James Charles.
Avoid James, marry
Avoid James.
Joey, and kiss Maddie.
Avoid Joey. Kiss James and marry Manny.
We all got different. I would avoid Manny, kiss Joey, and marry James. Yeah, legit.
I love James.
I don't want-
Don't come for me.
I don't want to marry Manny after all this drama actually. Alright, kiss Mary Kill Tanner. I can't think of anyone else.
I know.
Chamberlain.
Oh, yeah.
And Laura Lee.
I don't know who that is.
They're fucking annoying ass little.
The one that had those racist tweets and then made an apology video where she fake cries.
Oh.
So
She literally edits
Avoid
it.
her.
She's not crying, and then it like cuts to another clip and there's like a tear running down her face.
Thank you guys for giving me some time.
I think we have the same answer for this, for all of us.
Yeah.
Avoid Laura,
Yeah.
marry Emma,
Yeah.
and kiss Tanner.
Yeah.
It literally went up the wrong. It just went poof.
It literally
Straight to the
shot into
throat.
my throat.
Are we done here? That's all for today.
That is all. We've just got a lot of chips left, but we're not
And
having
our whole
those.
burger.
And a whole burger. Alright.
We need to improve our mukbang game. You see people ordering like the whole menu,
And they
we
eat
ordered
it
a
all.
family box, and we're like,
This is
Quite
huge though.
That's a lot of food though. If if you think about it. Thanks for watching.
Bye,
bitches.
guys. Thank you for watching.
Like,
if you even
subscribe.
stuck around this long,
Oh, can we not
we
be those
appreciate it.
people?
So, thank you. Bye, Felicia's.
Bye.
See you later.